How to buy and trade NFTs with Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to buy and trade NFTs with Trust Wallet. So in order to buy and trade NFTs with Trust Wallet, what you have to do is you just have to follow the steps. First of all, what you need to do is you need to go to your Trust Wallet application and then log into your account. When you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, that's going to take you to the home page, and here what you have to do is you need to buy ETH as your base currency. So click on buy and select ETH as your base currency. Next, you need to choose a decentralized exchange, that is DEX, and connect your wallet. Then you need to trade your ETH with your coin you want to get. If NFT does not appear, you need to find a smart contract. Next, what you have to do is you just have to go and read the terms and condition, and you should be able to buy and trade NFTs with the Trust Wallet account. And sometimes you might also face some issues in between, so all you can do is wait patiently and contact the support team and let them know about it, and you should be able to buy and trade NFTs with Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.